Vivo V9. One of the first Android phones to sport a notch at the top of the display. It has a 6.3-inch IPS display with a 19:9 ratio and a resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels. Powering the phone is a Snapdragon 626 octa-core processor clocked at 2.2 GHz. It has 4 GB of RAM and the device has 64 GB of internal storage. The V9 is a dual SIM device and has 2 nano SIM slots along with a dedicated microSD card slot. It sports a dual camera setup at the back comprising of a 16-megapixel and a 5-megapixel sensor. It packs in a 3260 mAh battery and has a 24-megapixel selfie camera. About Vivo. Vivo Electronics Corporation is a phone brand based in Dongguan, Guangdong, China. It was founded in 2009. The company is another Chinese smartphone maker to enter India recently. It makes low-cost Android phones, and those in the mid-range segment of the market. All of these are available in India too.